Working on your hands all day can leave them pretty beat up and sore. And with the potential for cuts and blisters, it's best to protect your paws when working up a sweat. So, for this week's feature product, we're showcasing a classic. Get a grip on the insulated fitter's glove from Roughneck. A fitter's glove is one of the most durable and widely used style of work gloves in the market today. Thanks to their simple design, economic price, and the ability to swiftly be taken on and off. Roughneck's fitter's gloves are cut from genuine cow grain leather for outstanding durability and longevity. The one-piece leather palm is essential for a robust grip strength and aids with minor abrasion protection from ropes, wood, and other rough surfaces. The back of the glove is covered in breathable fabric with specific danger zones overlaid in leather to avert scratches to the back of the fingers, thumbs, and knuckles. A snug, stretch elastic cuff provides a secure fit to the wrist while allowing for an easy on-off experience. Finally, the inside is lined with a lean layer of Thinsulate, which is a synthetic fiber used for insulating clothing. It essentially allows moisture from sweat to evaporate and be removed, but retains some of the heat naturally produced by the body, making for a comfortable glove that can be worn for longer periods of time. So safeguard your mitts from blisters and bruises with this week's classic feature product, the insulated fitter's glove from Roughneck. Got a favorite work glove that you always use? Tell me about it in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about unique and interesting products, give the channel a follow. Thanks for watching!